Hi everybody, this is John Fellenstein, Professor Polymer from the University of Akron's Akron Global Polymer Academy with another daily demonstration. Today we're going to investigate a natural polymer and we're going to do some processes which will cause that polymer to harden or coagulate. The material is liquid latex, and this is the brand that we use. It's readily available, and so the material itself it looks like this sort of a thick, gooey liquid. Latex is a natural polymer which is harvested from trees in equatorial regions. The tree, known as Hevea brasiliensis, was known to early indigenous peoples in Africa as well as Central and South America. So it's pretty interesting. What happens is the bark of the tree is scored, and as a way to heal itself, the tree will produce this white liquid called latex. This white liquid turns into many useful things, among them tires and rubber bands. So, also latex gloves. So we're going to experiment with the latex today, and we'll show you what happens. The latex by itself will start to dry out, and we call it coagulating, whereas it will become less and less liquid, and we'll have the rubbery properties. However, we can add a little bit of vinegar to our latex to cause it to coagulate a lot quicker. So the latex looks like this, and if I stick my finger in the vinegar, it's going to get it somewhat more solid. So we're going to dump a little vinegar in here. We're going to try to make a rubber ball out of this. Okay, you ready, Ro? Get yours right here. Just use your finger and stir it around, okay? Kind of like this. Yep, and you can pinch it as well. Notice how it's becoming less and less liquid as it interacts with the vinegar itself. You have to kind of keep moving it and rolling it. I didn't like the sound of that. There's liquid on the inside, and then the outside is a little bit a little more hard, right? A little more solid. So if you squeeze it too hard, you'll squirt liquid out of the inside. You don't want to do that. Here, why don't you form this one, and let me see what I can do with yours.
Form it into a ball?
Yep, see if you can form it into a ball. You might have to roll it a little bit in your hands. Oh, see that? I squeezed it, some came out. So we're just speeding up that natural process of the drying out, coagulating of the rubber. The acid in the vinegar is what's causing the rubber molecules to bind to each other a little bit better. Were you able to get it round at all? It seems like all the rubber has coagulated inside now. Let's see, I might be able to squirt some out still. Nope. So now we're not really ready to let this to use this as a bouncy ball, but we can do something else. We can also make shapes out of our latex as well. So I have this is an old 35mm film can that I poked a hole in. What we can do is we can set that into the ammonia set that into the latex. So we have something that looks like this, and then we can put that into the vinegar, which is going to cause it to cure a little bit faster. Alrighty, so we pull that out of the vinegar, and then we can gently pull it off. And look at that, we've made our own rubber band.
Wow.
So now I can reshape it. And if I let this cure as well, it will have the properties of a rubber band. Can you see that?
Ooh.
Now this rubber band is not strong enough to have the tensile properties of commercial ones right now, but once it cures, it will change its color and will have a different look. So notice the difference. The one that I made today is here. The one that has been able to cure is here. And I can stretch it, and it's pretty stretchy and pretty strong. Whereas the one that I made today, if I stretch it too far, it's going to break. So there you have it. Experimenting with liquid latex today, making our own rubber bands and rubber bouncy balls. Have a great day, stay cool, and remember, go Zips!